last class we have discussed about the pure form of matter, that was elements and compounds. Today we will dealing with the impure substance of matter, that is called mixture. So let's start with the mixture.
Students, mixture is impure form of matter. It consists of two or more elements or compounds when combined together in any ratio. For example, salt and sand mixture, mixture of sugar and sand. Petroleum is a type of mixture which containing various petroleum products like petrol, diesel, paraffin oil, etc. Blood is also a mixture which containing the liquid and fluid components, plasma and RBC, WBC, platelets, etc. Milk is also a mixture.
Air is a mixture of several gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, and these gases are present in air. Mixture can be categorized in two on the basis of nature of substance present in it. One is homogeneous mixture and second is heterogeneous mixture. Students, the substance which is present in a mixture, that is called their component or constituent particles. The constituent particles of mixture are not chemically combined together.
Mixtures are of two types on the basis of the nature of substance present in it. First is homogeneous mixture, a mixture in which the two or more substances, either element or compound, mix together completely so that they are indistinguishable. They cannot be distinguished from one another. This type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, the composition of substances is same throughout by mass. Example is solution of sugar in water, salt in water, soft drinks, soda water, solution of copper sulfate which is blue in color, alcohol in water. Students, all the homogeneous mixtures are solution. You have observed when we dissolve sugar in water, after complete dissolution of sugar, we observe that the sweetness of sugar in the solution is same everywhere. Therefore, the sugar in water solution is a homogeneous mixture because composition of sugar everywhere in the solution is same. Second type of mixture is heterogeneous mixture, a mixture in which composition of substances are not same throughout by mass. That type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. In this type of mixture, the substances are separate from one another. One substance can spread on the other in the form of small particles, in the form of droplets, or as a bubbles. Sugar and sand mixture, salt and sand mixture, milk, blood, soap solution, iron filling and sulfur mixture, starch solution. They all are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. Students, do you know suspension of solid in liquid? That are also the example of heterogeneous mixture. A mixture of two immiscible liquids, they are also heterogeneous mixture like petrol in water, diesel in water, they are heterogeneous mixture. In the mixture of sugar and sand, the composition of sugar and sand is not same everywhere. Students, like compound, mixtures have its own properties. Most of the property of mixture are opposite from those of the compounds. So to study the properties of a mixture, we will take a mixture of iron fillings and sulfur. Sulfur is yellow in color and we get a grayish yellow mixture of iron fillings and sulfur. First property of mixture is constituent element of a mixture can be separated by physical method like by vaporization, by filtration, by distillation, by using the magnet. As shown in the figure, a mixture of sulfur and iron, when we place a magnet near this mixture of iron fillings and sulfur, we will observe that the iron particles get attracted towards the magnet. By this way, we can separate the iron fillings. Sulfur can also be separated by using the suitable solvent carbon disulfide. Hence, we conclude we can separate the constituent elements of a mixture by physical methods. Second property of a mixture shows the properties of all its constituent elements. This property of mixture we can show if we add the dilute sulfuric acid to this mixture, the iron react with dilute sulfuric acid to evolve hydrogen gas. It means it shows their property of metal. For property of sulfur, when we treated this mixture of iron filling and sulfur with carbon disulfide solvent, sulfur part dissolve in it while iron filling unchanged. From this discussion, we can say that a mixture can show their properties of constituent elements. Next property we have the melting and boiling point of a mixture is not fixed, it is variable. We have the fourth property, energy neither be evolved or absorbed during the preparation of a mixture. When we will prepare the mixture of iron filling and sulfur, there is no any evolution or absorption of energy in the form of heat and light. Next property, the composition of a mixture is variable. We know that mixture is formed when the two or more elements or compound mixed in any proportion. We can increase or decrease the amount of its component in a mixture. Thank you.